All right, what is up, Twitter fam? Hope everybody's doing their homework tonight. So real quick, I'm going to make a video about why traders fail, okay? Now, this is a career where you have unlimited earning potential, and there are no products to sell, no websites to set up, no inventory, no employees, none of that. Literally a computer, internet connection, and a broker's account. Now, this comes down to expectations, okay? What happens usually is the first trade you make, especially if it's a winning one, you get the sense of how easy it is to, make a profit. But that's easier said than done. It's simple, not easy. Now, usually what happens is the beginner, because they haven't built up a healthy fear of the market, usually starts off with some beginner's luck, especially in a good market. And then what ends up happening is the more trades they put on, the more the odds start working against them. Why? Because there's no strategy. They haven't built up a strategy. So this is where the majority of people drop off, right after they've made enough trades to experience these losses, and they start dropping off. Now, there are these people that want to continue learning, and they expand, they progress, they get better, they learn from their mistakes, and they get better, and they keep coming back. No matter what, they keep coming back, and eventually that learning curve, you start moving into the territory of profitability, okay? And after some time, you end up in the professional trader category where you have a consistency. You constantly pull money out of the market, okay? Now, how long this takes, there is no right answer. That depends on the person and their personality. This could be 2-3 years, could be 5 years, could be 10 years. It just depends on your personality and how much you apply yourself, how much you stick to your own rules. The more stubborn you are, the harder time you're going to have on this. So don't be these people right here. Be the person that makes it all the way to the end. All right?